Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Adam. You're watching Steady Invest. In this video, I'm going to be talking about HUMBL, a financial services company that merged with a blank check company called Tesoro Enterprises and is currently trading on the over-the-counter markets as TSNP. HUMBL is a company that's trying to vertically integrate itself into the financial sector just like PayPal, except on a global level. But we have to remember, this is still a very speculative company that's trading as a penny stock and it's in its infancy still. And this past Friday, there was an investor call presentation with CEO Brian Foote, and it looked pretty good. So we'll get into more details about that in a moment. Before I do, if you haven't already, smash that like button. It helps my videos get out there. As well, if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hit that subscribe button. And if you're in Canada and want to start trading with Questrade or Wealthsimple, use my links below and we'll both get free money. Now, on to the video. Alright guys, so looking at the chart first, so the merger was announced back in November and we saw the stock jump up to about 2 cents. And then from 2 cents it went up to 30. You could have maybe 10x or 15x your money. And then it crashed 66% afterward. And since then it's recovered and now it's testing that resistance point again. The company is currently valued at just over $1 billion. And although they're currently trading under TSNP or Tesoro, they're also going to be changing the ticker symbol and the company name to HUMBL. And I just rewatched the conference call and took plenty of notes to share with you guys. First things first, HUMBL is a Web3 platform, which means it has a synchronized approach to give us a one-touch to trade, track, transfer, pay, and share information with other people in more autonomous capacities, but with fewer fee layers and lower processing times. So CEO Brian Foote was explaining they have HUMBL Pay, HUMBL Marketplace, and HUMBL Finance, and they've combined it all together into one platform or their app. And he's trying to do this on a global level, but he said it won't happen overnight because regulations are different across countries and they need to comply with them. But the more they get along with this process, they'll have a more cleaner and seamless approach to their application. So you have HUMBL Pay where you can rate and review merchants, text ordering and delivering, Marketplace where merchants can place their goods online, and this has a little bit of an Etsy approach to it. Unlike Amazon, it gives people a place to sell their stuff online into broader markets. Other than tourism zones or binary one-to-one foot traffic. But he did mention that it will take time to grow this marketplace. However, there's no shortage of merchants. And HUMBL Financial, which is their new division. And they're trying to shadow what Ant Group is doing in China, again on a global level, providing cost-compressed services to help free up financial inclusion, giving consumers a wide range of different financial services. And I like this slide a lot. His target audience is Generation Z. More than ever, people are working remotely. Think of a freelancer that can work in different countries around the world. They're trying to target the global audience to give them a one-stop shop when it comes to financial services. With HUMBL Financial, they have agents who are licensed to perform things like money services, bill payments, foreign exchange, and cash outs. And think of this like you get off an airplane and you don't want to spend time going to an ATM. You have to pay fees. And then at the end of your trip, you open your wallet and you see that you still have some cash left from that currency. Or let's say you have a layover, whether it's a few hours or a few days, and you want to buy some food or you want to go exploring, you need some of their currency. This platform allows you to get off the airplane and be a one-stop solution for your financial needs abroad. And part of HUMBL Financial is they also have investing tied into it as well. And the CEO, Brian Foote, is literally the blockchain expert. If you listen to the investor presentation, this guy is an absolute genius when it comes to blockchain technology. And listening to the presentation, hearing his visions toward the company and what he has planned for, very, very promising if he can execute. So what he was trying to explain with the slide over here is if you had invested in the back end of any of these 3 crashes, you would have ended up okay. He doesn't claim to know exactly where digital assets will go in the future, or they'll do the same thing the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ did, but he does believe in the integration of blockchain technology over the upcoming decades. And he's creating his own digital asset funds. So they're developing automated robotically traded strategies called block exchange traded indexes for one-click investment into the new digital asset markets and future blockchain-based trading markets. Though it won't be available in the US and multiple countries, right now it's only Singapore because they're trying out new things. So for instance, if you were to invest in Block 3, you'd be getting Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Digibyte. And something else he said that I found extremely interesting is that in emerging markets with real estate, when it comes to land and titles, Brian Foote said there's a huge opportunity for this and they're taking a very big swing at it. And I really like that ambition and it's so out of the box. So the app is planned to be launched in 40 different countries by the end of February. So when it comes to HUMBL Pay, Marketplace, and Financial, he wants to roll them all out in sync, not scatter and go. It's one platform, one app. It'll be highly regulated and highly compliant on new technology that can unlock fees. And right now they're ahead of schedule. They've requested the ticker symbol change and they're launching the app. And we see how they're going to be expanding features integrating vertically, and it looks promising. So the investor presentation was on Friday, today's Monday, and we're up 26%. Now, is it going to break out? Is it going to consolidate? Is it going to crash? That's anyone's guess. And I'm having a tough time putting a price target on this, as it's gone up 161% over the last couple of weeks. But that's just the nature of penny stocks, because at the time it was only about 17 cents. So me personally, I already have my position. I'm willing to buy on dips and on weakness, not when it goes up 27%. However, if I didn't have a position and I wanted to start one, I would start my way small and then go from there. And that's why I like HUMBL as one of my top 2021 penny stocks when it comes to a high risk, high reward standpoint. They're trying to innovate and vertically integrate themselves into the financial sector, but on a global level. And there's immense potential for that. However, they do have their work cut out for them, as they still are in their infancy. But with any company you're going to invest in, you have to make sure that you do your full due diligence and research. Especially because they're such a speculative company, you really have to manage your risk. Otherwise, that's the end of my video. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hit that subscribe button. And if you're investing or trading HUMBL, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next video.